Hola medicos, in this video we are going to see about the tympanic membrane. So when you see the tympanic membrane, it mainly appears as a pearly white or grey when it is normal. On examination it appears pearly white or grey and it is translucent in nature. As you can see, the middle ear structures are not that clearly visible. So it is translucent in nature. What is the function of this tympanic membrane? Tympanic membrane helps in transferring of the sound from the external auditory canal to the middle ear, which contains ear ossicles. Okay, consider these are the ear ossicles. So from ear ossicles to the round window. Let's see the size of tympanic membrane. It measures 10 millimeter in height and it is 9 millimeter wide, and it has got 0.1 millimeter of thickness. So let's see the structure of the tympanic membrane. You can see the real image here, the real image as well as this pictorial image that I have drawn. Considering the real image, first we will just understand what are the structures in the pictorial representation. So as I mark here, this part is called as pars flaccida. It is little bit rigid, and this is also called as Sharpnell's membrane. Sharpnell's membrane. Okay, and this inferior part is called as pars tensa. Pars tensa. Okay. As you can see, this is the handle of malleus. Handle of malleus. And here you can see the reflection of light, that is called as cone of light. That is reflection of handle of malleus. And here the dotted structures that you are seeing, this is of the middle ear and this is round window. And superiorly you can see the oval window with stapes. This is about the tympanic membrane, and this is called as the structure which covers the pars tensa is called as annulus tympanicus. When we see on examination, these are the things that you should notice. Actually, we can divide the tympanic membrane into 4 quadrants. This is whole anterior part and this is posterior part, because there is a different nerve supply for this. So we'll see it laterwards. This is anterior superior quadrant, anterior inferior, posterior superior quadrant, posterior inferior quadrant. As you can see, this is the long process of the malleus, and the centralmost part, that is little bit medial towards the middle ear, that is called as umbo. And you can see cone of light here, cone of light. Okay. Let's see the layers of the tympanic membrane. It forms from the all 3 germ layers. So all 3 germ layers. So it has got the outer epithelial layer, which is continuous with the external auditory canal, and it has got middle fibrous layer, and it has got medial or the inner mucosal layer. Let's see the nerve supply of the tympanic membrane. As I said, we were dividing the tympanic membrane into anterior as well as the posterior part in the lateral surface. So the anterior half of the lateral surface is supplied by the auriculotemporal nerve, and the posterior half of the lateral surface is supplied by the auricular branch of the vagus nerve, that is 10th cranial nerve, and the medial most part is supplied by the Jacobson's nerve, and this is the branch of the 9th cranial nerve, that is glossopharyngeal nerve. So this is in brief regarding the tympanic membrane. If anything left, just someone add in the comment section. This was the end of video. If you have any doubt or if I made any mistake, please drop from them in the comment box. Thanks for listening.